So first we're gonna disconnect the battery. Either one disconnect, okay? Let's disconnect this. Okay. So this is the one I ordered from Amazon. It was about $20, free shipping, and this one it's universal. It should fit on all cars. So the length is 10 inch and the diameter is 2 inch, and this one is 4 inch. So this should fit the with the Toyota Sienna 2004, the flex pipe. Let's check. Okay, ready? So here you see. So I think I can cut it from here and from here. So 10 inch, something like that. You see. So this is more than like long. Yeah. So I cut it from here, close as possible, to match everything. Yeah. So something like that, and then like that. I can also cut this if I have to, but we'll see. We may just cut this, I guess. So as you see, those pipe, this is like less than 2 inch. This is over 2 inch. The pipe is 2 inch. So I'm gonna have to find a way to fit it. Slide this in, maybe, and this is the job I did long. Like you see, all left, all this, just this one, and this piece, all the glue gun. It's time to cut it and replace it.
Yep.
Here's the problem, huh? You see here, the pipe double to reduce the noise. This is a single, this is double. So I can go like that and weld it. This side though, in. So this is in, this is gonna be out, and this is gonna be in. And now I need to cut this. So this is gonna be 7 inch. Because this is gonna be slide in a little bit, so I can go 8 inch. Here's the new pipe. You can see this one slide nice and easy here, and this one too, because this is double pipe, as you see. So we can slide it in like that, measure what I need from here, cut it, and then slide it in a little bit here and a little bit here and weld it. And that's hopefully should work. Okay. That's how it's gonna sit. So it's gonna weld it here and here. The problem is so okay, I did terrible weld here. As you see, it's a big huge mess, but amazingly it's working. So it's really hard to do underneath of the car. I have I don't know if this is like, I'm not a good welder at all, and I use this just gasless flex core welder, and so every time I weld it I can see leaks again and again, and I start over again until I build up a lot of weld, just big huge mess. Okay, but amazingly it's no more leak. So here you see all the see just all right. Yeah, it's one of the worst weld ever. It's a challenge to weld underneath of the car, and when especially for the beginner like me. I don't do a lot of weld, that's why I end up with doing terrible weld here. But at least it's like I saved myself a few $100s. I did it myself. I ordered this from Amazon for $20. Took me about maybe like half an hour to maybe 1 hour, everything to cut it and weld it, almost 1 hour. But I see leaks a little bit like every time. Now I'm gonna start the car and see if there is any more leak. Can you start the engine? So I don't see any more leaks, which is good. Everything's sealed. Release the gas. See, very quiet. Before it sounds really terrible. Now it's very quiet. No more leak. Everything is good. And so that's it. Start. Release. It does. Alright, I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Here's the whole piece. Thank you for watching. All the best. Hope to see you next time.